The latest consumer price index report shows inflation is heating up. For more, let's now go to NewsNation's Alicia Nieves on Wall Street. Alicia, what are the big takeaways from that report, and also how this latest breaking news with China and those talks could impact things moving forward?
Yeah, good morning, Markie. The trend that we've seen this month of better than expected data coming out continues. We saw that with the jobs report. We saw that with the consumer sentiment read recently, and now with CPI. The numbers coming in either in line or better than expected. And here are the numbers: 2.4%. That is the headline inflation read for the month of May. Prices increasing just slightly up, about 0.1% from what we saw in April, but that was right in line with expectations. I will say, while prices only came in about 0.1% overall, things like shelter actually came up pretty high, much higher, about 0.3%. The cost of food, as many of us know by going through the grocery store, that was up around 0.3% as well. In terms of core inflation, this is the number I said a lot of economists were keeping a close eye on. This was actually a beat. This came in at 2.8%, right in line with what we saw last month. The expectation was 2.9%. This is significant because economists were looking at this to really give us a read on Trump's tariffs and their impacts on goods. Remember, core inflation excludes energy, excludes foods. A lot of that has tariff exemptions. So this is things like cars, electronics, clothing. We didn't see the increase that most economists were expecting, something that President Trump probably and will likely kind of point to. I will say, though, part of the reason why we didn't see the increased read, one economist that we spoke to actually broke it down for us. Just take a quick listen.
I don't think that the tariffs that were put in place, then pulled off, then put in place, and then pulled off, have really impacted prices yet. And that's largely because people who import things and then sell them in the United States, from cars to electronics, a lot of them pulled orders forward, meaning they ordered today for things that they didn't need today to get it in before the tariffs kicked in.
Yeah, so markets are up on this news. It's better than expected CPI read, but also probably up a little bit on that news you mentioned a moment ago, the trade deal with China, that almost to the finish line here, the president announcing that just a little while ago. So we're looking to kind of open up in rally mode. You'll note about an hour ago when we were live, we were looking to the downside. So a nice, boom to the economy right now, or at least the stock market, Markie.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.